Watching YouTube channel at ncert.digital. Let's continue with Chapter 2 from Joyful Mathematics, Class 1. What is long? What is round? Look around. Vidya Didi asked all the children to sit in a circle. What is long? What is round? Look around. Look around. My pencil box is long and my ball is round. Look around, look around. My legs are long and my face is round. Look around, look around. Ask children to play this game in the class. Let the children name two things, one long and one round. Every time, they can take the name of a new thing and avoid repetition. For long objects, children may focus on one dimension like tall, wide, etc. For example, some may say a tumbler is long, whereas for some others, it may be round. Both views need to be considered. Let children explain their logic of saying so. Think and do. Draw round objects in and long objects in. 12 Joyful Mathematics, Class 1. B. Match the objects which are similar in shape. C. Tick the shape which is similar to ball. D. Tick the shape which is similar to cap. E. Tick the shape which is similar to glass. F. Tick the shape which is similar to matchbox. Let us do. Make a house, toy, tower, robot, bus, or anything you like using different objects in your surroundings. You can also use notebooks, books, pencil box, water bottle, waste or old boxes, birthday caps, funnels, etc. Divide the children in 4 groups. Give one shape to each group and ask children to bring 2 different used or waste objects similar to that shape. Display all the collected things in the classroom and let children share their things and the reason why they choose those particular things. His grandmother. Once there was a little lamb who was going to meet her grandmother. The wolf saw the lamb and wanted to catch her. Please don't eat me now. Let me first go to my grandmother's place and grow big. Okay, you may go. The lamb told everything about the wolf to her grandmother. The grandmother got an idea and put the lamb into a dholak and rolled it back to her house. Read aloud the story and ask children to enact it. The dholak rolled very fast and the wolf started running behind it. The wolf could not catch the lamb and she reached home safely. Let children reason out why the dholak rolled. Arrange a discussion about its shape and the sloppy/inclined surface from the jungle to the lamb's house. Let us slide. Children are playing carom as shown below. You can also play and see how a striker slides to reach the corner. My striker, Gaudi, rolled instead of sliding. Right are 4 rolling objects and S4 sliding objects in the given in the below picture. B. Collect different objects from your surroundings and see if they roll or slide. C. Do you see things which can do both, roll and slide? If yes, discuss in the class. Ask children to tell about different objects in their house or school which roll as well as slide. Also discuss which features of the objects help them to roll or slide on a plane surface. Think and do. Find whether the following objects roll, slide, or do both. Project work rolls, slides, rolls as well as slides. Collect cardboard boxes like shoe boxes, empty food boxes, fruit boxes, etc. Make a slit on front of the box and draw eyes, mouth and nose. Make a puppet with help of your parent or teacher and play with it. Make puppets from your favorite stories and do a puppet show in your classroom. B. Make towers with different objects. Find which shape of objects make taller and stable towers. C. Create different shapes and objects by using clay.